Hey guys, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from us. Now let's get started. OnePlus 1, OnePlus 2, OnePlus X, OnePlus 5, OnePlus 5T. So many OnePlus smartphones and all were so good. Now talking on this, OnePlus 6 will have a under display fingerprint reader. That is not sure till now, but we can expect this thing. अगर इस फोन की आगे मैं बात करूँ तो इस फोन में नॉच होगा iPhone X की तरीके से एंड ये फ़ोन थोड़ा बहुत आईफोन एक्स से सिमिलर करेगा. ये बस एक रेंडर्ड वीडियो है जिसके अंदर हमने कंफर्म किया है दैट दीज स्पेसिफिकेशंस आर कंफर्म नाउ एंड यू गोना गेट देम वेरी सून. ये एक नया इमेज है जो कि रिसेंटली लीक हुआ था OnePlus 6 का एंड इंटरनेट पे इसने तहलका मचा दिया. टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस स्मार्टफोन, इट इज वन ऑफ द पीपल्स चॉइस स्मार्टफोन दैट एवरीबॉडी इज गोइंग टू buy OnePlus 6 and if they are supportive for this price segment, they definitely buy it. It runs on the latest Android 8.1.0. It has the 845, it has 6GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, good charging battery, good display, good quality, etc. etc. सब कुछ जो एक यूजर को चाहिए होता है वो इस स्मार्टफोन में है. एंड अगर इस फोन की आगे भी मैं बात करूं तो मैं बस इतना ही कहूंगा कि OnePlus is doing so good and लाइक करना है वीडियो को एंड सब्सक्राइब करना है चैनल को सो दैट मैं ऐसे वीडियोस और कपल ऑफ हैंड्स ऑन रिव्यूज वट एवर इज हैपनिंग अराउंड द टेक इन इंडिया आपके लिए लाता रहूं. So guys, talking about OnePlus 6, this is real hype that is beginning and OnePlus is now confirmed and the smartphone runs on 845, the heart of the smartphone. It has a 6GB of LDDR4 or LDDR5 RAM, 64GB of ultra fast 2.0 internal storage and fast charging with 3400 mAh battery. Sadly the battery is the same in the OnePlus 5T and even though we can expect a 3500 mAh battery, but right now the specs are 3400 mAh battery and the phone is going to charge in just 20 minutes and these are some of the renders by OnePlus and I actually picked them up and used those in videos just to make a graphic interface for you guys and I hope you like the video, you like this quick information and it's confirmed now that OnePlus is coming into leaks and this is a software and probably it is a Photoshop but we are considering this as the final leak of the smartphone. मेरे को थोड़ा fingerprint weird सी लगा. I just hope ये final leak ना हो और आगे चल के leak change हो जाए. I'm just expecting. The final leak is yet to come guys. The thing is you can actually make hopes that OnePlus is coming. Yes, OnePlus is coming with a new phone that is OnePlus 6 and congratulations all of you. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. अगर अभी तक भी नहीं किया है तो please subscribe guys and like the video, share it with your friends and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, peace out.